Hello guys, welcome to another video here on PICOCTF, and today we're trying to solve an easier lab under web exploitation called Unminify. Quickly, let's just launch this instance. While it's launching, the description says I don't like scrolling down to read the code of my website, so I've squished it. As a bonus, my pages load faster. Browse here and find the flag. So I'll just click here to open up the page. So it says, welcome to my flag distribution website. If you're reading this, your browser has successfully received the flag. I just deliver flags. I don't know how to read them. Now there are so many ways to actually solve this lab. The first one is Ctrl U. To read the source code. As you can see, this is what we call like minifying a code. It's such a way that you see the source code, but usually the source codes are what am I doing? Usually the source code will be filling this page, but in order to make it load faster, it puts it in one line. So if we drag this to the edge of the line, we're going to see something here that says PICOCTF, pretty code and stuff like that. So this is more like the code that we're looking for, the flag we're looking for. All right, another option is to look at let's go Ctrl Shift I and check the inspector. To check the inspector, you come over to the body, you expand them, you expand this body, expand the class here, then on this part here you expand this PICOCTF part here, expand this last one here, and you're going to see this is the code or the flag we're looking for. Okay, you can copy that out. Another way you can use to solve this is to probably check the site where we call Unminify. Sorry, it's called Unminify, also unminify.com. I'm not sure if I'm correct. Let's check that out quickly. Unminify.com. So yes, it says Unminify or deobfuscate obfuscate JavaScript, CSS, and so on. So in this case, let me just go back to my PICOCTF here and paste it, and then let's come back here and copy out this whole code, and let me see if I can unminify this here. So I'm going to paste the code and I'm going to click Unminify. Once you do that, you see it did unminify it, and that makes the code quite normal way it's written. And if you scroll down, you can see the code here. So these are basically 3 ways we can solve this particular lab. One, scroll here and manually search it here. Secondly, you can check the inspector and enlarge the codes, and lastly, you can use this website called Unminify to unminify the code. Alright, that being said, we hit submit our flag, and voila, we solved the challenge. Thank you guys for studying with me. Thank you for learning with me. I'll see you guys in another video. Ciao.